Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. Potato mash and beef roast. Carrot beef roast to be detailed in this video. Materials used. The amount of food that will be done here will be enough for 50 people. 5 whole roast beef to be used. Smooth and hard carrot. Liquid sunflower oil. Paste tomato paste and hot pepper. One cup garlic. A few small onions. Salt and sugar. Wheat starch. A long blade is needed. Potato for mash. 500 grams of margarine. 1 liter milk. To use a thick saucepan and a large saucepan to cook roasts. There are only 2 pieces on the back of the beef roast beef. It cannot be said that it is very soft. The cooking time takes a lot of time. First, peel and prepare the carrots. Cut end parts. Knife in the middle of roastin. Place the carrot all the way in the center of the roast. It must be sturdy, tight so that the carrots do not come out of the roastin. Place the garlic on the outside of roastin. Place the garlic on the outside of roastin. If you do not want to put garlic, you can make it without garlic. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. This is how roastoller's preparation is now being cooked. We will cook roast for 5 hours, but we will fry it before cooking. Shoot the gold of the large tensor and add the liquid sunflower oil into it. A piece of meat is added to understand that the oil has warmed. Add raso to warmed oil and fry for 2 minutes. Turn the fried side and fry every amount of roastos in equal amounts. Remove the roasted roast and clean the tanned flax. Add liquid sunflower oil. Add tomato and pepper paste tomatoes. Stir the shake. Add a little black pepper and boiling water. Add the roast and cook slowly for 5 hours. Close the door and bring the fire to the lowest level. Prepare for roast potatoes until rostola. Potatoes must be peeled and washed. Add potatoes to pot and add boiling water. Rostola continues to cook in the meantime. The potatoes were pounded in 1.5 hours and ready to be mashed. The excess water is taken with this method. Add salt and sugar. Add margarine. Mashed with whipped corn. Add cold milk and adjust its consistency. Add a small amount of milk if you want it to be solid. The onions are peeled and added to the water near rostola cooked. Add salt and sugar after 4 hours. Add peeled onions. Check with the forks that rostollers are cooked. Leave the raw stock to one side of the air that is cooled for cooling. Pass your food through the strainer. Dissolve the starch in cold water and add to the boiling food sauce. Boil it a little and get it in consistency. You can chop rostola after it is a little cold. Apparently enough appetizer. "20 pieces from large rostel." Cut in thinner slices. Placed in a 5 cm cradle. You can store the excess food frozen. Prepared sauce is added into the rostos. It will be better if it is boiled a little with the sauce. Now I'm moving on to the presentation stage. Add potato roast. Roasted slices added 2 for 1 person. Cooked onions and tomatoes can be added. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.